I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I drink some tea. I drink some tea.
I make some soup. I make some soup. I make my bed. I make my bed.
I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I listen to music. I listen to music. I clean the table. I clean the table.
I read a book. I read a book.
I wash the fruit. I wash the fruit.
I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes.
I water the plants. I water the plants.
I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take a nap. I take a nap.
I wipe off the dust. I wipe off the dust. That's it for today. Keep practicing these phrases every day to improve your English. Follow for more English. See you in the next video.